Quick, we need your input. What's seed going for these days? $50 an acre? 70? 80? Whether it's seed or fertilizer, the one thing your input is not is inexpensive. And the best way to control high input costs is to take command of your field. Introducing SectionCommand from John Deere, the new sectional control feature now available on our full line of 1910 air carts from 250 to 550 bushel tanks. With SectionCommand, you get fewer skips and fewer overlaps to help increase your yield and your bottom line. And thanks to more efficient use of those inputs once they're in the cart, you have fewer trips to fill and fewer overhaul fills. But don't just think of SectionCommand as an uptime, cost of operation solution. This is a total agronomic driver. Consider that with fewer overlaps, you don't get the crowding that can force crop to compete for resources. What's that mean to you? Simple. You get improved uniformity during emergence throughout the growing season, and greater consistency of crop maturity and harvest, helping to improve the potential of your yield, which of course helps to increase your bottom line. After all, what good is it to call SectionCommand a profit-generating feature if it can't increase your savings? Those are the benefits. But exactly how does it work? Well, let's take a quick look. Now, depending on the size of seeding tool, SectionCommand can be 4, 6, or 8 sections. As you can see, the bottom of the meter cartridge contains gates, which open and close to control the flow of meter output powered by hydraulic actuators. Once the gates close, your seed or fertilizer stop flowing from the meter. And to ensure the product starts flowing precisely when you want, each meter section is full of product all the time. That's how you take command of your operation from the first day of seeding to the last day of harvest. SectionCommand is another level of performance to help you push back on the intensifying pressures of today's farm requirements. And here's some of today's farmers to tell you how SectionCommand has worked for them.
With SectionCommand, you have picture-perfect fields. When you look down, you can see the soybean rows, and you don't have those spots where it's double-seeded and lodging. You can see where the SectionCommand shut each section off. So it's real impressive as you drive by and check your fields and stuff.
Without SectionCommand, on the drills that we operated this year, we analyzed them and looked at the boundaries compared to the planted acres, and there was a difference of 9 to 10%. For every 1,000 acres you plant, 10% is 100 acres. That's huge. That's tremendous.
With SectionCommand, I think the biggest thing is the cost savings. You start talking 4% over the amount of acres we farm, that turns into real dollars. Well, on our farm, I've been keeping track the last couple of years, and on fields that are really irregular shaped, like around rivers, creeks and stuff, we've had up to like 10% savings on that, but on a farm average, it's between 4 and 5%. So that equates to a lot of dollars.
The biggest advantage would be those savings. The savings of the seed and the fertilizer. The monetary savings is huge. That speaks loudly to any grower. And then, of course, we don't miss the overlap on the headlands. That's not desirable, and it's a lot cleaner, nicer looking field, and it's producing more because of it. So it's a win-win situation.
With SectionCommand at harvest, the crops mature more evenly in the field. You don't have that lodged wheat on the headlands or on the side of the fields where you overlap. And in the soybeans, you don't have those green pods on all those overlap spots. I don't think there'll be an operator that won't want SectionCommand once it's released, just when they can see how much they can save. And the ease of planting, you don't have the skips in the field where you lift it up too early or miss the spot at night when you seed in the dark. With John Deere's new 550 cart and SectionCommand, that really improved our efficiencies.
Efficiency's up, emergence even, and input costs down. Those are the levels of performance that keep your business steady and profitable. But there's more. This year, along with SectionCommand, we're offering an innovative conveyance solution that puts freedom right in the palm of your hand. Wireless and hydraulically operated, this all-new feature lets you control the conveyance arm movement and elevation with ease. That's not all. There's the ease of going out of and into transport, as well as the ease to operate the latches. In all, it means less effort by you, so you can spend considerably less energy filling your tanks and spend more time doing what really matters, seeding. And for added convenience, you can work the remote anywhere near the cart, or use the secondary tethered remote if you prefer. Either way, we dare you to break a sweat filling and unloading now. And did we mention there's our Allied Solution low-profile hopper to give you full-width meter cleanout and under the semi-filling? There you have it. It's the new 2015 Air Seating Solutions from John Deere. Efficient, profitable, nothing runs like a Deere.